eastern region includes the Grand Ronde, Powder, and the Oahe River basins. Eastern Oregon, vast open desert, deep canyons, and breathtaking white-capped mountains. This area is home to numerous wildlife species that are iconic of the American West. Mighty herds of pronghorn antelope and more California bighorn sheep than anywhere else in the country. Mule deer, Rocky Mountain elk, and sage grouse also inhabit the region. In the 20th century, engineers made way for highways and railroads. The rivers were often in the way, so they were pushed aside and straightened. Today, some landowners of the eastern region have agreed to give up some of their land to return the rivers back to their meandering desire through meadows and forests.
If you're doing some good by making the river healthy, then that's a pretty small sacrifice to make to just lose a little bit of pasture.
After plans are made, tractors arrive, curves are dug out, root balls placed, and boulders added. 6 months to a year later, rivers can be returned to a slower wandering flow.
And I sat on some rocks and I looked at it. It's awesome. It was really a moment I won't forget. It was just this gentle hush of a flow.
Thanks to the generous cooperation of ranchers, farmers, and other landowners, the eastern region watersheds are making the rivers new by, in a very real sense, making them old, lush, and full of life.